we're entering a kind of a frightening trade war period where different countries are lobbying trade tariffs and things, or threats, or rattling the sabers about them back and forth. And that's really putting us as a family in a very vulnerable position. Maybe 6 months ago, we thought, well, you know, we can hang on for another 6 months, but if we don't see any kind of a light at the end of the tunnel here soon, I can't imagine that we'll be milking cows next year. I really can't. It's just not possible.
His view is to cut our losses and quit now. Quit milking. That would be his.
Maybe now.
Yeah, before we lose any more money.